Hi there everyone, it's time to learn what dropshipping means. So I logged into Wikipedia to give you the best possible, simplest explanation to what is dropshipping. So as you can see here, dropshipping is a supply chain management technique in which the retailer does not keep goods in stock, but instead transfers customer orders and shipments details to either the manufacturer, which is in our case Amazon sometimes, another retailer, which is also sometimes Amazon in our case, or a wholesaler, which is most of the time Amazon in our case too, who then ships the goods directly to the customer. So what does that exactly mean? What it means is that you actually don't need to buy ahead any items, you don't need to keep any stock in your supplies in your stock. You don't need to have a warehouse, you don't need to pay for a store. The only thing you do is you simply list an item, the way I will teach you in the next videos. You list it on eBay, and once a buyer bought the item and there is an order, you simply log into your Amazon account and you send the item to the address of the buyer. And that's it. That's what dropshipping means. It's as simple as that. So see you in the next lesson.